Marcos Jr. also lamented the high number of reported casualties due to Tino, calling it unfortunate. Based on the running data of the Office of the Civil Defense, a total of 114 individuals were reported dead as of Thursday morning. Most of the fatalities came from Cebu, with 71 reported deaths.
The Mark Resort, together with Yonsei University, stands with you. We are here not as a company or an organization, but as people who care. As partners in hope. As brothers and sisters ready to help you rise again. Our team traveled here with one mission: to bring support, relief, and comfort to those who need it most. These donations are more than just items. They are reminders that even in the darkest moments, kindness still exists, that communities can unite, and that hope will always find a way back into our lives. To every survivor, every mother holding her children close, every father trying to rebuild, every young person still dreaming despite the challenges, you are the reason we are here. Your courage lights the way forward. On behalf of the Mark Resort and Yonsei University, we stand with Talamban Cebu, today, tomorrow, and in every step toward rebuilding a brighter future.
Ako dahil si Gilbert Rivia, taga Bakayan, Sitio Kumun. Kami magpasalamat sa The Mark Group of Yonsei University nga salamat kayo ma'am or sir nga nahatdan mi sa inyong tabang. Dako na kayo ikatabang namo nga sama namo nga mo nang isugod mi sa among kinabuhi nga tuan nga naingani mi wa mi tapot lawas ra mi pro na amang Ginoo nga mo provide namo siguro kung anak tas Ginoo di mo tapasagdan.
The Mark Resort and Spa! Yay!